and welcome to my new video. Today I want to show you some amazing products that I got from Silksilky. So they make products from pure silk, 100% silk, so that is why those products are so good for your hair, and let me show you what they sent me. And this is how the package looks like. Let me show you what's inside. So this is how it looks when you open the box. Here is guarantee paper, and also I have some cute message. Let me show you. Nice. And let's see the actual products. So I have mix of those hair ties, not mix, I choose black color because I use only black color of hair tie, and those are made from pure silk, so they are great for hair, especially if you have thin hair. And they also sent me this A mask. I have problem with under eye circles, so I choose this mask because I have that problem. I also got this beautiful scarf. This red color is amazing. It doesn't look that amazing on camera, how it looks like in real life. I love this color. It's so vivid and beautiful. And this is pillowcase. If you want to have healthy hair, you should use silk or satin, at least. Satin pillowcase, because it takes care of your hair. And that's what I got from them. On their website you can find the different products from silk, so they have amazing products also. I want to show you, they have dresses, robes, underwear, but I want to show you scrunchies. So you go to silk accessories and scrunchies. They have some 50% off on scrunchies, and also I have coupon code for you guys. If you want to use my coupon code, you can find it in the description box below. Those scrunchies looks amazing to me, but I only use black color on my black hair. I don't know why I like it like that. So guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and please make sure that you check their website so you can find some pure silk products for yourself. See you in my next video. Bye!